Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your fonts are not embedding properly in Adobe Acrobat, don't worry. Font embedding problems are one of the most common PDF issues. They can cause text to display incorrectly, substitutes fonts on other devices, and prevents editing or trigger printing errors. So the good news is most font embedding issues can be fixed by adjusting PDF creation settings using embeddable fonts or recreating the PDF correctly. So first thing you can do is check which fonts are embedded. Okay, so first verify the PDF's font status, like open the PDF, select file, properties, and then fonts. Okay, review the font list, like you may see embedded subset, so not embedded. Okay, so this immediately tells you whether font embedding succeeded. Use PDF export instead of print to PDF, like many fonts problems happen when users create PDFs incorrectly. So instead of print, just save as PDF, use export to PDF, and save as Adobe PDF's Acrobat's PDF Maker. So proper PDF export methods preserve font information much better. You can also verify the font allows embedding, like some fonts contain licensing restrictions, so common scenarios like unstable embedding, editable embedding, preview, and print embedding. So restricted license embedding is not. So if the font is restricted, Acrobat cannot embed it. Okay, so this limitation comes from the font creator, not Adobe. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.